We're here at Fillamentum Industrial with the man, Martin, who has some of the best 3D prints and models out there. This guy is a genius. Martin, please explain me, what is special about Fillamentum Industrial and what kind of materials do we have here today?
Okay, so what we have new here is our flexible TPE, which is thermoplastic elastomer.
Okay.
Based on polypropylene. Amazing for chemical resistance, alcohols, acids, alkalis, and so on.
It's matte. It's not even glossy, and it feels amazing. It's like super duper smooth and
yeah, of course. From the base material, the TPE will be always made.
Matte.
Matte. Mm-hmm. What is interesting that the 90 Shore flexibility has a food, skin, and mucous membrane contact certification, so it can be used in medical. Of course, it depends if you have to certificate final product from the printer according to country laws.
Got it.
Yeah.
So it does have certification for
the filament.
For the filament, for food, skin, and mucous membrane contact.
Yeah.
And if it needed for final application, you would need to get a certification for the final application. But for the material itself, it does have the certification.
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic. And it comes in two different hardnesses, 90A and 96A. This is 90. What's 90 and what's 96?
This is 90.
Okay.
And this is 96.
Got it. Can you show maybe? Yeah, there you go. Perfect. All right. Excellent.
Yeah.
Is it harder to print, the 90A?
Yeah, the 96 is better printability than the 90. Of course, the more flexible filaments cause more problems, but no problem with direct extruders
with both or just 96?
No, with both. If you have
awesome.
If you have the right settings, no problem.
Beautiful.
We have lots of prints from different kind of printers with no problem. Direct extruder.
Can you tell me some of the printers that you use to print these specific prints?
We use Trilab Deltics.
Okay.
We use Trilab Deltic. We have tried Prusa, Ultimaker also, the 96, and what another. You don't have problems with direct drive extruder printers.
Fantastic. Okay, let's move on to vinyl. What's vinyl?
Vinyl. This is the first ever 3D printable PVC.
Whoa.
Wow. Definitely not for the hobbyist or something like that. It's focused into heavy industry.
Okay.
Amazing material from tensile strength, self-extinguishing from the base material, amazing chemical resistance.
It's PVC.
PVC. Still used in many industries for windows, pipes, tubings, and so on. Safety recommendation for that material is to use enclosed chamber.
Okay.
HEPA charcoal filters, air ventilation, because if you are processing the PVC, the chlorine can be released.
Wow.
Yeah, so
definitely not for the hobbyist.
Definitely not. Yeah, but amazing printability. No problems with printing, no warping, no shrinkage.
Wow, can you show me some of the prints? That's awesome. You can replace the pipes in your house.
Yeah, of course. Well, it depends on the how strong you make it, how many layers and parameters you use.
Got it.
To make it a manifold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Okay, what we have here is ASA.
Yes.
Well-known filament. Mm-hmm. Amazing for outdoor use. It's UV stable from the base of the material, and of course
so it's great for outdoors.
Yeah, minus 40 degrees long term with 5 to 7 years, no color change outdoor.
Wow.
We have
and also mechanical properties as well, no?
Yeah, it's very similar to ASA, lower shrinkage.
You mean ABS?
Yeah, than ABS.
Okay.
The lower shrinkage, lower warping, great printability.
So if people were printing an ABS and they wanted to switch over to ASA, they would have such an amazing, easy time because it's so much easier to print.
Yeah.
And it's better for outdoors.
Yeah, of course. We have a customer in Britain which use the filament for racing boats. They made boats for the national team of Britain,
Awesome.
and he was surprised how our ASA, can handle salty water and the weather on the sea.
That's amazing.
Oh,
It's also harder than normal ASA. I've had ASA from other companies and I've used this, and this stuff actually like prints easy and it prints well, and it's a strong material that really comes out gorgeous finish.
yeah, and also matte.
Yeah, and you could acetone smooth it.
Yeah, of course.
Awesome. Okay, what else do we have?
Another material we have here is PCABS.
Okay.
Amazing strength.
Strength.
Impact resistance, and amazing resistance to load. Yeah. The printability, you need a enclosed chamber
Okay.
because of the shrinkage and warping.
Got it.
Printing temperature is around 280 degrees.
Okay.
100 on hotbed, no cooling. Fantastic material. We have in two colors, the natural and the black. right
Okay.
now.
Now this is the natural color.
Yeah, this is the natural color.
Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah. As I said, it needs an enclosure, but small parts.
You can get away with.
Yeah, it's okay. It's possible to print in an open space printer.
Awesome.
And also we have polypropylene.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know. This is the best material for the chemical resistance.
For sure.
Yeah. Also thermal resistance, 120 degrees long term.
Wow.
Wow. So electric insulator,
For sure.
low moisture absorption.
Okay.
Well,
So you don't need to have it inside a thing with like a
dry box.
A dry box.
No.
Awesome.
Well, amazing properties, but the printability is the different story because it doesn't stick almost to anything. You have to use some kind of polypropylene plate as a build plate or polypropylene packing tape.
Got it.
Yeah. Also, enclosing is recommended for the printing. But
Got it.
It's also the food safe.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it has food safe certification.
Yeah.
Got it. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so polypropylene is the material that you need if you need chemical resistance, heat resistance, and doesn't need to be dried or anything. Can print all the time. Recommended to have in an enclosure, and comes out with amazing, beautiful prints with an amazing surface, and just gorgeous filament. Amazing. What else we got over here?
Yeah. There we have composites.
Yes.
Here we have nylon.
Yes.
Filled with carbon fibers.
Wow.
15% of carbon fibers.
Okay.
The fibers are 100 microns long.
Yes.
So the improvement in the mechanical properties in the static weight load,
Okay.
like the pressure resistance, wear resistance, hardness, and so on. It's based on polyamide 12.
Okay.
So you get a great chemical resistance, of course. Well, it's a polyamide, so it need to be stored in an airtight bag with desiccants because
course.
its moisture absorption is huge.
Right.
Yeah.
In one day, in the same print, you could have it absorb the moisture.
Yeah, but it's based.
You put it
on
in a dry box, you're good to go.
Yeah, of course. Definitely, if you buy nylons, I recommend to pre-dry before printing.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Got it.
it's better.
Yeah, for sure.
Next, we have CP, cold polyester filled with carbon fibers.
So cool.
12%, amazing finish. This is a 0.15. No layers are visible.
Nothing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Gorgeous. That's awesome.
Yeah. So again, the properties of the CP.
Yep.
Chemical resistance, heat resistance up to 80 degrees. So it depends what application you have for the material.
For sure.
And what's the best, I think, is nylon filled with aramid fibers.
That's so cool. So it's Kevlar embedded filament.
Yeah, it's also the same nylon as this
nylon 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
So amazing properties and increase the wear resistance, hardness by aramid fibers.
And this print, was that easy or hard?
Well, the fibers helps with the adhesion. So this part was printed
Yeah.
on a CR10, an open space printer.
Wow. So you can
Yeah.
print this big and no warping.
Yeah. Well, the part is not so tall.
Right.
It's quite big, so there should be a warping, but nothing. Really, the aramid fibers help.
This is warp free.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
So
And these are also printed in the same material.
Yeah, this is also printed with the same material. So, well, it depends on the application you have for the materials.
Okay, we just got a question from a customer. What is the difference between nylon carbon fiber and nylon aramid? Why would I choose one over the other?
Well, it depends on the application you have, because the carbon fibers increase the mechanical properties in the static wave load,
Yep.
like hardness, pressure resistance, also the wear. Yeah. In the other hand, nylon with aramid fibers is well known for tribological properties, wear and abrasion resistance and resistance.
Can you explain to me what tribiological properties are?
It's a wear and tear. It's
Got it.
Yeah, so it's like the a sliding. They are not wearing.
Got
So-
it.
So it's depends on the application. So
Basically, if you have kids,
yeah, that's,
whatever the kids do.
yeah,
Kid-proof material.
yeah. Of
If
course.
it's good for kids, it's good for industry.
Of course. Yeah, so that's the main difference.
Got it.
As it's based on the same polyamide 12,
Right.
The properties like chemical resistance is very similar.
And temperature.
Yeah, and temperatures, of course.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Martin. You have such amazing materials here. And they're available at fillamentumindustrial.com.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
No problem. You're welcome.